What is up, you soon-to-be hungry fools? I'm Ryan, I live in Cambodia. I make videos so you can see what it's like to live in the Kingdom of Wonder. So, being a mid-level YouTuber, I'm obviously quite poor. When I go to the park, the ducks throw bread at me. So I have to be careful about how I spend my money, which is not that hard in Cambodia, where I can get delicious food for a great price. How delicious? How great of a price? That's what we're gonna settle here today, right now. Here we go. Wait, we're not starting yet. Don't get ahead of yourselves here. I have a goal. It's to spend $10 a day eating out every meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, sometimes called supper. I think my family actually called it supper. I don't really like that word though. It sounds too much like supple. Supple, which of course is almost exclusively used to describe breasts.
Supple, pouting breasts. It's a shame you two don't get along.
Supple definition. Supple, bending and moving easily and gracefully. Flexible. Yeah, I mean, that's the type of breast I'm looking for. What's going on over here? We're still recording? Oh shit. It's 3 meals a day, $10 a day for a whole week. That's 21 meals, $70. Can it be done?
No way, he can't do that.
Challenge. Sit your supple ass down and watch me try.
People like this. Y'all don't know 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 people like this.
We start things off with one of my favorite breakfasts in Cambodia, noodle soup. And there's no better place to get it than a busy local noodle joint down in the Riverside area. I can't remember what this one is called, but it's popular and they make an amazing bowl of noodles. However, the price was $3.75, which is kind of an expensive bowl of noodles for Cambodia. For lunch, I decided I needed to make up some money, so I headed to what expats often call the $2 restaurant, where you can get a stir fry with a pile of rice for just $2. They have a huge menu, lots of options. I ended up getting the beef tamarind, which easily filled me up with its sweet and savory flavors. That left me with $4.25 for dinner.
Oh, you're about to do a reveal over here? You thought it was going to be cone shaped, didn't you? Wow, that's a lot. That's really good, actually. I'm kind of jealous. How much is that one? $3.50. Hell of a deal. Yeah, so we're at Golden Pumpkin. Pretty new restaurant in Phnom Penh, but I think they've been around Siem Reap for a while. And this is a pork chop with gravy, mashed potatoes, and some veg, $5. Add it. Check that.
Yep. First day and I'm already over budget.
It's a new day, a new dawn, and it's breakfast time. And I just grabbed some takeaway. This is bansong. It's just noodles, rice noodles. Got some cucumbers, some bean sprouts, some herbs, wide rice noodles. I don't think this is bansong. I think it's called something else actually. Ban something. The something depends on what type of noodle it is. Coconut milk or coconut oil, coconut, I don't know, what do you want to call it? Coconut water? The magic sauce. I'm gonna give it a mix, loosen it up. It's kind of like a salad. There's a bunch of meat in it too. I think I forgot to mention that. These spring rolls, these chopped spring rolls filled with pork. And then like meat like that. It's kind of like a pate, but it's steamed. And this cost $1.50. So I'm starting off nice and cheap, giving me a little bit of room for maybe a nice dinner tonight. Forgot the peanuts. Boom, cheap breakfast.
For lunch, I went to a local chicken place to get grilled chicken and rice for $3. This is a Cambodian style chicken. It's free range. I call it gym chicken because it looks like the chickens have been like working out at the gym. They got big muscles and like no fat on them. There's really not a huge amount of meat on it, and I wouldn't say that the meat is that tender or supple, but the meat is actually really flavorful, and this place is also known for its very fragrant rice, which I believe they cook with some chicken fat.
For dinner tonight, we got some pizza burritos. Little burrito stand in the Russian market. $4 chicken burrito. Pretty good stuff.
So by the end of day 2, I was back in the black. They say black, don't they? I think it should be green. Red would be a bit bad and green would be good. Back in the black. Back in the black's just like AC/DC, like Sarah putting on her AC/DC shirt and just berating me. What's your problem? I don't like that. Day 3 for breakfast, I went to one of my favorite cafes. It's called Frank Coffee. It's right next to a little temple and a university. It's a relaxing spot to sit with lots of cute temple cats running around. Coffee's good. I got a huge helping of grilled pork, rice, and a fried egg, plus some pickled veg. Total for the food was only $2.
Doing a bit of a healthy lunch today. It's a Khmer style salad with some squid. Really tasty, a little spicy, a little sweet. Good stuff. Not bad. And healthy. I think I said that. Hungry?
For dinner, Sarah and I headed to our local Thai restaurant for some stewed pork leg, plus a mushroom, cauliflower, and beef stir fry, and a pile of rice. Cost was just $5 each. So in case you didn't know, I have this other channel. I go on a walk. I usually find some food. I explore a new neighborhood. It's kind of like something I like to do, so I just kind of bring my camera along and walk with it. And it's an easy video to make, but I find them quite relaxing and enjoyable. Not many people watching them. Go check it out. youtube.com/walkingtour, walking W-O-K. It's a bit of a pun. And what was my point? So today I wanted to shoot a video for that, so I headed to a new mall and I had to wander around, and I eventually ended up getting French fries for breakfast. Yeah, that's right, French fries for breakfast, okay. That's enough criticism, it's for the video, come on now. Potato corner can be found in most malls in Cambodia. You choose your size, you choose your flavor. I went with sour cream and onion.
Thank you.
That's it. Like, it's just, there's no need to judge me for this. It's just the thing. It's the video I got to do. It's just for the sake of the video, really. It's not on me. It's not because I'm unhealthy and I'm wanting to eat sour cream and onion French fries for breakfast. No, it's just like, it's for you guys, really. You should be, I mean, this is on you if I die at an early age. For lunch, I had to go pick up some train tickets, so I grabbed some takeaway outside of the train station at a food truck, which is a rare sight in Cambodia.
Guys, some of this? Yeah. You have ABA? Yeah.
This is a stir-fry mix of hot basil and chicken with some bell pepper, and it was just $1.50. I was at just $3 for the day, so for dinner I splurged a bit because it was mole night.
The mole. Geez, we just gotta watch some moles. We like to binge the mole on a Friday night. It's like the new thing to do. So we ordered in a pizza and got a salad. Pizza looks pretty good.
I think
What's underneath there? Get into it. Show the people
It is
what you got.
pomelo salad, but it's not grilled seafood.
Oh, it's fried. It
So
said
they
grilled.
substituted maybe,
Or maybe they fucked.
or they up on the menu.
Yeah. $7 for these two things. Yeah, $7 each. That's a lot for one meal, according to this thing, but at the same time, I got breakfast and I got lunch for $1.50 each, so I'm still
So
hitting
you
$10.
can splurge.
Yeah, I'm gonna splurge all over this.
Day 5, it's back to noodle soup for breakfast. This one only costs $1.50, which is a great deal. It's a really tasty bowl, just as good as that $3.75 one, in my opinion.
Lunchtime. I am in the middle of editing, working hard today. Didn't really want to stop and go out, so I ordered this in. It's like a piece of bread with, what did I order? Avocado. Oh, it's tuna, avocado, and it looks like egg on bread, kind of an open-faced sandwich. Came with a little bit of potato chips. Looks all right.
So for dinner, I kind of cheated a little bit. I'm not supposed to be cooking, but I wanted to show you guys an option for a cheap main. I ordered this pork cutlet for only $2 from Stroke Seas, a butcher shop down in Tuol Thom Pong. Of course, I had to cook it, but it was just like a 10-minute fry-up thing, real quick. It's barely counts as cooking. Come on now. Accompanying the pork cutlet is a salad that I picked up outside of the market at a street food stand, and I also got some fried rice at another stand. A big, beautiful plate of food for only $4.50.
And we still got lots of leftover salad.
That day total was only $8.25, so we're like $2 under budget right now. For breakfast, I headed to the Tuol Kok area to make another walk-in tour video. There's always a bunch of street food outside of schools in Cambodia, and I opted for the doner, which is just $1, my cheapest meal yet. Another day, another bowl of noodles. This time I'm getting Chinese noodles, pork with pickled cabbage, a favorite of mine, and a great lunch for only $2.50.
Oh, the demented cat.
Going into dinner, I had $6.50 to spend on the day, so we went for Korean food, Korean fried chicken, and a sizzling bowl of bibimbap, $4.95 each.
Good amount of rice so it's crispy and not burnt, but
It's the final day and I am $3.25 under budget. This is Cambodian fast food. Bread Express serves what most people would know as banh mi sandwiches, but in Khmer we call it Phnom Penh. I got a pork belly sandwich for $2.50.
Beef noodles. Chilling out here at the Charm Cafe. Not bad, $3.
Finally, the last meal of the week, and I am well under budget. We are celebrating with a big feast of Greek food from Greek souvlaki in Tuol Tompong.
Well, souvlaki, chicken souvlaki sticks. Looks amazing.
Really great food, but a bit more money at $8.40 each.
Not the best lighting in here.
The totals are in, and I am a winner. Winner, chicken souvlaki dinner. Beautiful chicken supple breast meat. The 7 days break down like this, and my total is $69.85 for a week's worth of food, 15 cents under budget. What's that? I'm a hero? Well, I mean, I suppose it's not really that big of a deal. I just do what I do, and I guess if that makes me a hero, you might as well just use the word hero, because it's just easier to use it, I guess. You can treat me like a god if you want. I mean, it's on you, really. I just do my thing. Ryan. That is all for this week. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button. You know how YouTube works. You do the stuff and then it helps me. Eating French fries for breakfast over here. Come on now. Support me a little bit by just like hitting the bell icon after you hit the subscribe button, and then you get notified of new videos, and then maybe like hit the thumbs up as well. That's not that much to ask. Take care. Comb your hair.
Prefer when I'm by myself. I don't wanna hang around y'all. For good health. One day I'm really gon' ball. Fuck around and buy the whole mall. Breaking that cake. Flexing 700